Oh. There's one. That's a good one, dude. Get him, yes! What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So I'm out here today with my buddy Sam. Beautiful morning, low winds, almost slick calm. I mean, there's a little bit of chop, but I actually like that. It is supposed to get windier throughout the day. Right now, just a little bit of that ripple, just a little bit of those like little diamonds on the water. Perfect in my opinion. We're gonna be doing some live scoping today. I got the camera set up on the live scope. Hopefully the fish are gonna be starting to get on some of these offshore areas. Water temp is about 76 is what it's saying. So we're just gonna mess around, play with the live scope, see if we can find some fish. I'm probably gonna start off with the jerkbait. Sam, what are you starting off with?
Little jig head.
Little jig head on a swim bait.
Working way too good right now.
So we're gonna get to fishing, y'all. Hopefully we can catch them today. Stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoy today's video. Those fish. Right there. Coming up on them hot.
Yes, we either that or they're coming up on that.
Oh.
What?
Oh, I got him. Yes. Little guy, I think. Oh, he's decent. He's pretty decent. Nah, I think I got him. All right, y'all, got the first fish of the day. Some come up and eat it. Oh, no. No. All right, next time.
I literally had.
I know. Next time I'll say but we saw a couple, so I was like, let me not. Let me not.
If it was a giant, we would have dropped it.
Yeah, it wasn't that big, but it would have been the first one of the day. Sorry.
I almost went in, bro.
It looks like a carp, like a big old carp swimming on the bottom.
Can you imagine?
Got one.
No
didn't even see him. Didn't even see him. Oh, little baby. Oh, he came up again, dude. What is wrong with me? Ooh. That's probably a log, but there's fish around it. Ooh. Got him? I think I saw him, dude. I think I saw him chasing you. Is it a good one?
He's not huge, but he's pretty good.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Oh, dude, I think he choked it.
Got it? There you go.
All right, I'm gonna put him back.
All right, yeah. All right, first fish of the day, y'all. Sam.
He wasn't even hooked that bad. It just barely got his gills. So
Yeah, got him in the gills a little bit. He's bleeding, so getting him back in the water as soon as possible. Probably about a 2.5 pounder.
Yeah.
Nice way to start the day.
Boom.
First fish in the boat. Third bite of the day.
Got blood on the new balances.
The new balances?
The new balances.
This is a bait I gave him. So it's a 1/8 ounce ball head swim bait with a little 3-inch Kitech style bait and like a natural kind of looking shad color. I don't remember the actual name of it, but it's a really good looking bait. I've caught fish on that same bait in here.
Yeah, that looks like a fish. Way out long. I'm gonna put the down. No way. Here.
Look, he's still following me, I think. Got him.
Is that good?
I don't know. Oh, my reel's stuck in my shirt. Nah, he's not that good. We'll take him.
He's in there.
Finally.
He's in there. Oh. Got it.
Yeah, that was cool. Finally got first bite of the day for me, or first fish in the boat for me. Not a giant, but I'll take him right now. Came up, ate the jerkbait. Didn't even see him eat. He was just on. I was just kind of casting at some stuff that I thought were fish. Good old Megabass Vision 110. I don't remember the name of this color, but I'll try to find it.
Ooh,
Oh, come on, eat it. Eat it, sucker. Eat it, sucker. Got him. Dude, I think it's a good one.
Yeah?
I think so. Stay down, baby.
Keep going until I see her. And then I'll reel in.
I can't tell if it is or not, but it feels, yeah, dude, it's something big. It's either a gar or a big bass, dude. Look at him swimming. I think it's a gar. I think it's a gar. Watch.
No, dude, this is your PB. Giant bass. Giant bass.
Ooh. Oh, not a giant, but I'll take him. That's a good one.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
Dude, that was sick. All right, y'all, finally got another bite. This one's a decent. I thought it was a big gar. He was swimming weird. I think he just was kind of hooked weird. Hooked a little bit funny on the outside of the mouth, on the head. Well, that's a decent one. Probably like another 2-pounder, probably about the same size as Sam's earlier. Let's get a weight on him, see what our best 5 can be for the day, Sam. That's about the same size as yours from earlier, so
yeah,
we'll just make
it the same as that.
Yeah. And it's 0 pounds. Let's go. There we go. 2 pounds, 13 ounces. Almost a 3-pounder. We'll take it though. First good one for me today. We'll take that one. Thank you, little buddy. Or decent sized buddy. A little bit of a scar on him. There she goes.
It's cool though. I thought your trolling motor was still there. Oh my goodness.
Looked at them, there's not really shit around it. You ever seen those?
No.
The other day when I was out here.
Just tried to drink this with the lid on.
Huh.
You can find some cool ones like that. This is a big fisherman. Looks like a big fish. Oh, there's a fish.
Got him?
There's a fish. There's a fish.
Finally, dude. Good one?
Oh, that's pretty good. I'm on boats with him.
You are?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know, should I not? Oh, he got some fight.
Yeah, let's net him just because the thing only has 1 hook.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind, he ate the head.
Beautiful.
All right, there we go. Finally getting back on some fish. Been a few hours.
Damn. Oh, huge.
And we decided to move around. We're fishing this point right now. I wanted to get up on the other side where the wind's kind of blowing at us. There it goes.
Christ, dude.
Nice. Sam caught that one on a little jerkbait.
No live scope.
No live scope. That was just straight regular fishing.
That was all me, babe.
But now the wind's starting to pick up just a little bit, and we're starting to see more activity with the fish and the bait and stuff. Oh. Got him.
Oh.
Dude, it's a gar. It's got to be a gar.
No, dude, it's a giant.
Look at it. Look at it.
What?
That's got to be a gar.
Really?
Dude.
Holy shit.
Look at it.
Oh my god. I can't believe he ate it.
Dude, that was sick.
I cannot believe he ate it.
I don't want him to bend out these hooks. All right, y'all, we got a gar. I saw him on the Livescope and wasn't expecting him to eat it. Wasn't sure if it was a bass or a gar, but it's definitely a big...
God. In the mouth, dude, in the corner too. Corner of the mouth.
That's why he's staying on. I've hooked a couple of them before, but this one seems to... This one seems to be sticking on.
Bite. Oh.
Oh man. This is crazy. Oh god. Oh my god.
Jesus.
Oh my
I got him.
god.
I got him. I didn't want to put the net in too soon to scare him off again.
Look how freaking crazy that thing
I'm
is.
backing off, dude. He's about to jump.
Oh my gosh. How do you even freaking hold these things? This is a nightmare because it's treble, like a bunch of treble hooks and then super sharp teeth. And he's kind of unpredictable. See, that's why I didn't want to do that. If I...
Oh.
All right, dude.
Oh, hold on. I'm so scared. We got him now.
All right, there we go. Big gar. I'm using the rag to make sure I got a good grip because he's slimy and I just don't want to get bit or cut by those teeth. Going for the release. You ready? There he goes. That was a good release. Set him off like a torpedo, just a spear through the water. Well, I can't use that rag to clean my lenses anymore. Yeah, that was sick, y'all. On that jerkbait. Surprised we actually got them in. Normally they bite it with their snouts, and they just don't get you can't get the hooks in them good because it's so bony. Just jumping around to different spots that look good. So like something like a point with some wind blowing on it. Sam caught that one on one of the last ones. For the fish that we can find, a lot of them seem to like the jerkbait, but sometimes they don't. And so I'm trying to figure out what they want to eat. But for now, we're just throwing the jerkbaits.
No. Oh wait. Are you kidding me? Just bite it. Just bite it. Just do it.
Legs tired?
Yeah.
Ooh. There's one. That's a good one, dude. Stroking a jig. Get him, yes!
On his cheek, bro.
Dude, some type of sore or something.
Oh.
Look at that.
Gosh.
Oh, that was sick, dude. I saw him. I was jigging it up out that brush pile. I jigged it up and I saw the bait come up and I just see him chase it down, reel down, and he was just on there. Yeah, he's got a little sore in his cheek. I think they're just beat up from the spawn. All right, y'all, there's another one. Probably another 2.5 pounder, something around there, maybe 3. On a football head jig. That got Sam up. 212, all right. Another decent little fish on that. That was on a football head jig. Thank you, buddy. That was so cool. There he goes, back down. But yeah, y'all, that was just on this little football head jig. It's like a big mop jig, and it has this super long, crazy looking skirt. And then I put a Zoom, I think it's a Zoom, not a speed craw, Zoom Z Craw Junior. If I had a lighter one, I'd probably throw that just to get a little bit of a lighter fall. 7'6" medium heavy rod, 7 3-to-1 gear ratio reel, 18-pound fluorocarbon. Kind of dragged it to that brush pile, and then I think you could, I mean, hopefully the camera picked it up, but I saw it on the Livescope. I saw it come out, and I jigged it hard, and I just see this big shape come down, swoop down and eat it. That was so cool. Another one.
Hey. Good one?
No. Another one though, stroking a jig. That's a good sign. There's a bunch of bait and shit right here, Sam. It's getting to that time of day, y'all. It's just getting hot and tiring. Thank you, buddy. Slicked off, hot, but there's fish right here.
Oh.
Got one?
Yeah.
Let's go. Good one?
I don't know. Feels pretty decent. Feels pretty good.
Oh, just got smoked, dude. Oh, yes, dude.
He's in.
I just got smoked while you're getting that one. Let's see if we can double up.
You think you could,
Ooh,
That sounds good.
dude.
That sounds really good.
Stay down, stay down.
Is it good?
Probably the best one of the day. Hold on, I got it. Get up in here. Let's go, Sam. Oh, look at that, y'all. Doubled up. Mine on a jig. Dude, he freaking smoked that.
Sounds like
Dude. Oh my gosh. Let's go, dude. Double up on this one school. They're down there, dude.
Dude, let's get back in there.
All right.
I got a little
yeah,
one.
you got. Yeah, I'll weigh mine real quick. 215. We're moving up. First couple were 212s. Literally, like cookie cutters, and that one's a little bit heavier. Had an extra bluegill or two. There he goes back down. All right, let's see if we can get some more. That was so sick. Well, y'all, after that, Sam ended up having to leave, so I dropped him off at the boat ramp. I decided to stay out for the rest of the day, and I guess Sam took all the luck with him because I just could not manage to get another bite. So I packed everything up and started to head in, and when I was on the way back to the ramp, I saw a good-looking stump on the side scan. So I pulled my jig rod back out and made a couple casts, and I finally got another bite to end the day. There's one. Well, I was heading in, turned off all the cameras except for that one. Saw a brush pile when I was heading back in. Landed one more. And I ended up catching that fish on a flipping jig. I switched over to the flipping jig instead of the football head jig because I lost a bunch of football head jigs in all of that wood, all that structure and stuff that you guys saw on the side scan. That was all like stumps, fallen trees, just a bunch of wood. Definitely go with a flipping jig because you're gonna lose a lot of football heads in that. But if the bottom's a little bit more rocky, if it has boulders or if it's just gravel or like you're fishing around a bridge or something, normally a football head jig is the way to go. So obviously I wanted to fish jerkbaits and stuff because that's kind of what you see everyone using when it comes to Livescope fishing. But I decided to pick up a jig and see if it would work on Livescope. I figured since it has that big, you know, lead or tungsten head, I figured it would have good feedback and you were able to see it. This was the first time I've actually ever fished a jig like this. I know it can catch fish. They call it stroking a jig. Basically, you're just ripping it off the bottom like you saw. It's supposed to catch fish, especially this time of year, you know, late spring, early summer, all the way into mid and late summer. I've just never really fished it like that before. Normally I'm dragging it or giving it little tiny hops, but it was the only way that I was able to see the jig come up off the bottom while fishing it. And as you saw, it got bites today. So that's about it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you want to check out how I installed my Livescope, I made it really simple and easy. So if you guys want to check out that video, I'll leave it right here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.